Alright, so I got package in the mail. This one is one puzzle. I don't exactly remember what it was, but it's, I think, a rare puzzle, if I remember correctly. And then this contains a bunch of speed cubes and some other stuff like that. So let me go ahead and open them and then show you all what I have. Alright, so I opened up the boxes, and the smaller box had the rare puzzle. And now this is a vintage 1980s magic snake. Now when I saw it on eBay, I was like, ooh, that is interesting. No. But it has these, like, holographic glittery stickers on it. No. And that's interesting, because I haven't seen this variant, color variant, and style. And I've been collecting these magic snakes, like, different variants over the years. And even just looking at the ones that are cataloged on the Twisted Puzzles website, and what's been coming out, and yeah, this one doesn't seem like it's been cataloged yet. And it came with, this solution booklet, well, this, not really solution booklet, but idea booklet. And the thing is, this is odd, though, where, if you can see, these images are like, sort of low res, blurry, not super high quality printed, booklet. And it's just weird, though. Yeah, and now on to a lot of the puzzles. Alright, I'll start off with this one. This is a primary plastic Diane Zanchi. And when I was opening up the box and took this out and looked at it, and I was like, huh? Primary plastic Diane cube? And I was like, okay. And then I saw there was Zanchi, and I was like, oh, that's a rare colored variant. Because Diane didn't make that many primary plastic Zanchi, and I don't know exactly how many they made, but it was like a small amount. No. And it was only available for a limited time, for how long they had the ones that they produced it until they sold out. Over here is a weird 3x3. This is the Moyu Dienma 3x3. Now I have one that I've had since like 2015, 16, something like that. And that one I got in a trade from someone else. And mine's in the box somewhere over behind the camera. And this is an infamous 3x3 where a bunch of people like it, bunch of people don't like it. It's half and half. Now, and if you look at the edges, they're narrower than the corners, and even on a traditional 3x3, like what's on the Zanchi. So, yeah, there's that. And there was also a problem where, when doing middle slices, like the way that I'm doing right now. Though, the finger would get caught, on the corner right down there. And so, that was also an issue. And on mine that I have had for a few years, I did a mod where I sanded this part of the corner down so slightly, just enough so that it's not so sharp, and so when I do middle slicing, it's not interfering with my finger. Over here, another X-Men wingy stickerless cube, though. Over here is a 3x3 with a mission cap. That's weird. Looking under it, and there's like a washer that apparently been like glued to it. No. And that's on all of them. No. And this is like the Valk 3. So I don't understand why the original owner did that. To this. Probably to make it heavier a bit. But really, it doesn't really need it. Over here is again 3x3. If you can see, there's no exposed magnet. So it's not one of those newer ones that came out after the X. No. And it seems to be really tight enough that I can't really pull out an edge or something like that. So it must be, doesn't feel like it's magnetic. It might be, but hard to tell. Though, over here is another 3x3 with a weird looking logo on it. Though, and it's the Weilong GT1 or Weilong GT, something like that. I think, I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up and see. So right here is another 3x3, which is, I'll have to see. Oh! I know what 3x3 this is. It's a ShengShou 3x3. The Fang Yuan, whatever it is. I'll put the name up on the screen. But this was one of those 3x3 that ShengShou has produced, where it's like, looks really good, performs good from what I have right now, but never gained that much attention. Though, because at the time ShengShou released it, it was like, ShengShou wasn't like popular for speed solving, and it was like, no one even really took a look at it. No. Over here is a 4x4. Feels like it would be magnetic. I think it might be. And I think I know what it is. Though, but I'll let you all know while I'm editing it, this video. Over here is 2x2. Link pose, something like that, Weipo. I don't know, but I'll let you know when editing. Moyu, square one, looks like the Weilong square one, or it could be, yeah, it might be that one. This square one with SpeedCube Shop logo on it, might be a SpeedCube Shop Premium, something like that. Boom, maybe. I don't know exactly. No, over here, X-Men, boom. This is a Cubicle? Premium one? Huh. But without the Cubicle Premium logo on it. So, because it does have the Cubicle setup nut system. So, yeah. Now, in this version 1, though, here's an old school Mega Mix, the Diane one that was popular like 8 years ago when it was released or so. No, and yeah, and this is kind of weird though, where it looks like the original owner just only replaced, you know, the pink and the yellow with like a bright pink and a bright yellow, and the rest is like factory stickered. No. Over here is another 4x4 Cubicle Pro Shop Labs, whatever it is, and this might be the Wuji, the QiYi Wuji, I don't know, but I won't, again, let you know, while editing it. And here's this Cubicle, Labs, variant of 7x7 with magnetic, though, and yeah, don't know what 7x7 this is. Might be the Wuji Spark, something like that. Something like that, but I'll let you all know while editing this video. Yeah. And then, over here, Siamese cube, but from the looks of it, looks like this cube that I'm turning right now has this weird logo on it, and it has replacement stickers, because if you can see, the yellow is not the same shade as this yellow, though, and these are made out of sale for that for the factory stickered one. No, and then this other one that was made with a Weilong. Okay. That's fair enough. That's reasonable. It's nothing that's too terribly weird, like what I had unboxed a while ago, where someone took like a Bulk 3 and a magnetic speedcube like Kong's meeting and made into a fuse cube. So they took two perfectly good $20 speedcube and then made it into a fuse cube. And then with this, it's made with two like $3 cube. So really, it's nothing. No. But yeah, I'm happy with what I got, especially the primary plastic CNC. So, and even this, because this Dianma, Moyu discontinued it like about 3 or 4 years ago, something like that. So it's not really part of the current product line that you can find like basically on Moyu's website, online store, whatnot. But though, if you look around and just look at what other speedcubers have, like older speedcubers that's been cubing for like 7 years, 8 years maybe, like since like 2013 or something like that. They might actually have one of these that you can buy off them. Or just look on eBay and hopefully one will pop up. So, which this is one of the rare Moyu cubes, because it's definitely not available anymore and hard to find.